St. Helena apartment for rent. Your dream 2-bed, 1-bath home awaits. Are you searching for a cozy, modern space in an unbeatable location? Look no further. This St. Helena apartment offers everything you need: 2 spacious bedrooms, 1 sleek bathroom, and conveniences to match your lifestyle. Stay tuned to discover why this apartment is the perfect choice for you. Situated just 5 minutes from St. Helena Junction and 10 minutes from the Piarco International Airport, this apartment keeps you connected. Imagine a life where schools, supermarkets, and recreational spots are all within reach. This apartment blends style and practicality perfectly. With 2 spacious bedrooms equipped with air conditioning, you'll stay cool all year round. The 1 bathroom features sleek, contemporary fixtures that make every morning feel luxurious. It's truly a space designed for comfort and ease. Convenience is key. Wired indoor laundry hookups ensure your chores are stress-free, and the internet-ready setup means you're instantly connected. Add secure parking to the list, and you have an apartment that caters to all your needs, whether you're working remotely or entertaining friends. Whether you're raising a family or focusing on your career, this St. Helena apartment is the perfect fit. Small families will appreciate the nearby schools and parks. Professionals will love the proximity to business hubs and transit routes, ensuring seamless travel to work and leisure spots. St. Helena is more than just a location, it's a community. Friendly neighbors, a safe, suburban vibe, and easy access to shopping, dining, and entertainment create a lifestyle that balances tranquility and action. You'll feel right at home the moment you move in. In addition to your stunning apartment, enjoy a stress-free lifestyle. Secure parking provides peace of mind, the internet-ready design supports your tech needs, and nearby recreational options ensure entertainment at your fingertips. Life in St. Helena has never been easier. This isn't just another rental, this is a home. The thoughtful layout, premium features, and convenient location all make it unique. From air-conditioned bedrooms to a sleek bathroom, your daily routine will feel elevated in ways you never imagined. Don't wait to make this stunning apartment your home. Spaces like these don't last long. Contact us today to schedule a tour and experience the perfect blend of comfort, convenience, and community at St. Helena Apartments. Start living your dream today. Call 868-283-1172.